So I'm going to solve the formative assessment, what is the better buy? Goldfish crackers at Kroger cost $2.39 for a 16-ounce box. The same goldfish crackers at Publix cost $3.19 for a 20-ounce box. Which is the better buy? I'm going to go to a new slide to give us some more room. So as I work out the problem on the next slide, you need to look at your work and find your mistake and try to correct it. So what I need to do is I need to look at Kroger, and I have to set up a proportion. So the first thing I'm going to do is make my numerator $2 because money goes on top, and 39 cents. My denominator is going to be 16 ounces. That's my rate. Then my unit rate is going to have a denominator of 1 ounce, and I don't know how much that's going to cost. To find the unit rate, you divide the numerator and the denominator by the denominator. So $2.39 goes inside the doghouse and 16 goes out. 16 cannot go into 2. 16 goes into 23 once. I subtract and I get 7. I bring down my 9. 16 goes into 79 4 times. 4 times 16 is 64. I subtract and I get 15. I add a 0. I bring that down. 16 goes into 150 9 times. 16 times 9 is 144, and I subtract it and I get 6. Right here, I'm going to go ahead and stop because we round money to the nearest hundredths. So I look at this 4 in the hundredths place, and then the 9 tells the 4 to go up. So my answer is going to be 15 cents per ounce. That's for Kroger. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to look at Publix. Publix, it costs $3.19 for a 20-ounce box. So that is my rate. I'm going to set up a proportion again. I need to find the unit rate, which would be 1 ounce. I don't know how much that costs. So I take $3.19 and I divide it by my denominator of 20. I'm going to take my decimal and shoot it through the roof. 20 cannot go into 3, but it goes into 30 once. I subtract and I get 11. I bring down my 9. 20 goes into 119 5 times. That's 100. I subtract, I get 19. I add a 0, bring it down. 20 goes into 199 times. And I get 10. Again, I am stopping at the thousandths place. I'm not continuing to divide because I round to the nearest cent or hundredths place. The 9 tells the 5 to go up, so my answer is 16 cents per ounce. So if we look at these for Kroger, it costs 15 cents per ounce. Publix costs 16 cents per ounce. When I compare these, 15 cents per ounce is the better buy. So you should have looked at your work, figured out and found where your mistake was and corrected it. What I'd like you to do now is to turn your paper over, complete the take 2 on the back. You need to pause the video, and whenever you're done, hit play, and you can check your answer with the key that I'm going to give you on the next slide. Correct any mistakes you have and try to learn from them.